If you want to learn how to code, something that all programmers have to learn about is called data types. So let's cover 6 of the basic data types in Python. Data type 1, an integer or a whole number like 42 or -3. You would typically use these in mathematical operations like adding, subtracting, etc. Data type 2, float, or a decimal number like 3.1415926535589. Data type 3, boolean, true or false values. Imagine you're checking if two values are equal to each other. It would be true if they are equal and false if they are not. Data type 4, strings, which are just regular text. In Python, you have to put quotes around text. Data type 5, lists, which are actually collections of items. These items could be integers, floats, booleans, strings, or even other lists. Data type 6, dictionaries, like key value pairs, where one value maps to another. So in this dictionary, the username key maps to the Matthew M. Young value, and the follow key maps to the true value. These 6 data types make up a big chunk of the code you'll write as a programmer. Follow to learn more about software engineering.